Hi, I'm Alex Gundel here at LDI 2025. We are here with WATCHOUT, Dataton products. Some of the newer features of the newest 7.7 released only a few days ago include spout capture from external sources, so you can bring in video from other external sources, as well as PSN, which allows for incoming data from automation tracking and able to use that data to affect other queues and any media that you bring in. Some cool features I enjoy about WATCHOUT. We can show how assets are brought into WATCHOUT. It has an internal transcoding feature, so we can bring in any file as a different kind of file, and it is internally converted to anything that might be more acceptable or less hardware or more hardware intensive. If you have any more, if you would like to know, if you'd like to know more information, you can reach us at showstage.com or at dataton.se.